If you've been thinking about tuning your Golf GTI, Golf R, Audi S3, or Audi A3, this is gonna be your sign. If you're watching this video and you have been considering tuning your car, you've been doing the research, you've been looking at different parts and weighing your options, then the chances that you're going to enjoy driving a tuned car are extremely high, and they might even be absolute. Now, I'm not here to convince you to do anything. Rather, I'm just here to let you know how enjoyable it has been for me personally to own and drive a tuned car, and also share some of my own experiences. As funny as it sounds, I think owning a tuned car has actually made me a better car owner overall. And let me explain what I mean. When it comes to your car maintenance, it's easy to say, I will do the oil change in a couple weeks. You know I'm getting up to that mark, and you might want to stretch it out a little bit because of time or money or whatever it might be. Because I'm pushing this car past its stock capabilities and I know I'm getting extra wear and tear, I will never be late on a service. In fact, I do my services early most of the time. On top of that, I am a lot more careful with checking the tire pressure, making sure everything is good before I drive the car. I've actually had 7 or 8 flat tires in the last year and a half just due to construction in my neighborhood. And if I hadn't been so anal with checking my tires every time I drive the car, I potentially could have destroyed a wheel due to driving on the tire when it was flat. Another thing is I will make sure to use good quality parts whenever I'm doing my routine maintenance, like spark plugs, brake pads, all that kind of stuff. I also keep the car clean year round. And this is probably just a result of my greater appreciation for this car because of how much more enjoyable it is to drive on a day-to-day basis. I just love having the car clean. I may even actually clean the car a little too much. And if you're still here and watching, if you could drop a like on this video, it would really help me with YouTube's mystical algorithm. So what really makes this car more enjoyable now that it's tuned? To be honest, it's really everything. The sound that the car makes when I start it up in the morning, the turbo and intake sounds that it makes when I'm letting off the throttle, during spirited driving. The DSG pops between shifts. All around, this thing has been such a fun and engaging experience, and it basically makes all of my mundane commutes, regardless of where I'm going, really, really fun. I've also learned a ton about this car in the path to modification. So getting the opportunity to learn something new is just something that I'm not gonna pass up, and especially when it's something that I'm passionate about, like my car. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. Again, like I said at the beginning, I'm not trying to convince anybody to do anything with their car, but if you have been considering tuning your car and you've been on the fence, then maybe this video will be that little gentle nudge that you need to make that leap. That being said, I will say, if you do decide to tune your car, from my experience, you are not gonna regret it. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it this far, you are a real one. If you like the content and you're interested in more car content or just lifestyle stuff, feel free to subscribe to the channel, hit that like, leave me a comment to let me know what I can do better, and I will see y'all in the next video.